Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new mini achievement and grow a garden very update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my garden guide and then I'm going to go to the achievements. Okay, and as you can see that the admin has just added this mini achievements and you can complete the achievements to earn the unique rewards. And I'm going to click on explore. Okay, this is a very advanced achievements, and these are the quests that you need to complete guys. And after you can complete all the quests, you will get this reward: enchanted chest, wish fountain, very fans, and also the pet shard luminous. And yeah, that's so cool. And I know that it's kind of hard and difficult, but it's not that hard as the um, core plants achievement and also the core paths achievement. So I recommend you to complete the achievements to get the unique reward. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.